Hello? Well, the FedEx man's been here. It was a man this time, and he's brought me 2 boxes. It's March the 7th, afternoon of March the 7th. So now we got to see what's in these boxes. Let me move this phone. I'm not using that phone. I've got my laptop. Let me get my chair here. Because I want to see what's in them. My shelf still ain't full. My husband, though, is down at the shop right now working on some more shelves for that wall over there. Because it's been a rainy day here. Can you hear me? I'm a little far back. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not. Let me set this one up. Which one do we get first? They're from 2 different places. Let me get all set up here. I thought I had it the way I wanted it, but I don't think I do. I think that's the way I want it. It's like Christmas every day around here. Use my big old butcher knife. That was my Aunt Hetty's. Cut that. I'm going to take my time. Well, it's not cutting. The thing's pretty dull. You know that? It's just not very sharp at all. Go over here. I order new stuff all the time, and I pre-order stuff. I've told you guys that. My shelf's still like a long way from being full. Okay. The first one is from a new line from Kansas Troubles. I know a lot of y'all like Kansas Troubles because I do. And this is one from that collection. Chickadee Landing. And I know you can't see it very good. From Kansas Trouble. This got plastic on it. Hadn't took that plastic off yet. And what did I get to go with it? Well, let's see. Let's put that right there. Here's another Kansas Troubles. Kansas Troubles. And it's from the new line called Chickadee Landing. So, I've ordered more than this, but all they've started me with is these 2 bolts. There's that. I have some more coming. They just don't send it all at one time. They make me wait for it. But those 2, they're made to go together, and yes, they'd blend together. I know you can't see it like I can. But I've got more coming in this line. And I got layer cakes coming too. Not very many of them. So if you want a layer cake later, you better let me know pretty quick. And that was all that was in that box this time. But I got another box. Let me tilt that down. Get my little chair here. Let's see what this one's got. I'm sitting on top of my marker. Let me move that paper. Let's see what this one has for us. I hope you see something that you just love and that you want. And that you send me an email and tell me so I can get it to you. I'm not sure if this is fabric or just a lot of little trinkets that I ordered. I kind of like little trinkets, you know. And sometimes I give them away, and sometimes I'll buy them. I'm being careful. Did you see the new trinket I made? I made a little spinner. It started out as just a little flat piece of metal, and I made that one. I've got enough stuff to do 3 more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all like little featherweight cookie cutters, because I ordered some more of them. I did. Let me get this box. I'm going to take this stuff out here, and I'll lay it in this box. That's what I'll do. Get your name in the pot for a cookie cutter. That's how many I got. Oh, here we go, here we go. Alrighty. How about that? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. It is called So in Love. No, I don't have that many of them. I take that back. I've got 1 of them. I've got this one from Fabric, the 3-yard one. Isn't that pretty? That one is called Puzzle Me This. I thought it looked kind of cool. And then different colorways. But my goodness. I can't believe I've only got 1 of them. But 1's all I got. Now, here's some more patterns. This one, how many have I got? I've got two of these called Bloomin'. Isn't that pretty? Let's see what it calls for. Let me look. Trying to see. It's calling for yardage. Need to look to see. I was thinking you might could use 5-inch squares or a layer cake, but I'm not sure. I'll have to study it for you. And it says it's featuring Buttercup by Timeless Treasures, flower centers, petals, and the leaves. Anyway, we'll have to study that one, but I thought that was a pretty pattern. And y'all really did like these the other day. So I got a few more of these Brightly patterns. And they either use 5-inch squares or 10-inch layer cake. That's the Brightly. I got 5 of those. But I got another one here. I kind of made along the same line. How many of those? I guess I only got 4 of them. But that's called Heartsy. Heartsy's pretty too, isn't it? Back quarters. I'm going to read here. Back quarters are assorted half 10 assorted 1/4 yards. So anyway, I've not made that one, so I don't know, but it sure is pretty. That's Heartsy. What have I got here? I guess I've only got 1 of these. You see that? But it's a little kit. There's the pieces, and it makes that little block. So I thought it was cute. I don't think, how many of those did I get? I've got 2 of them. Yeah, 2 of them's all I got. But they're cute. It's cute. Now, I got some more patterns. I like patterns. You have to have patterns sometimes. We all just can't make them up as we go along. And this is called Little Star Shower. Little Star Shower. And it uses a honey bun. And then you'll need some for the star points. But it uses those little skinny, not the jelly rolls. It's smaller than a jelly roll is what it uses. But that one's pretty. And that's a Robin Pickens quilt pattern. What fabric do they use? Great project for a honey bun or assorted 1 1/2 inch strips. Let the twinkling stars light up your wall with colorful trails and patchwork fun. Fabrics shown are thatched basics from Moda Fabrics by Robin Pickens. So there's that one. Still got stuff in this box. I see some fabrics down in there too. Not many fabrics. Where did I? Oh, and this one. Now this is different than that one. This uses the little honey buns, and this uses the jelly rolls. They're kind of the same, but this is one jelly roll. And the bag, the off-white and the solids to match it up. But in this one, that's a 2 1/2 inch, and this one's 1 1/2 inch strips. So there's that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I don't know if I want to let y'all have this one or not. Look at this. This is Barnyard Rules. Look at that. That's a layer cake. That's sweet as it can be. That's just right down my alley. Got a pretty little red barn. It's got some chickens and pigs, and a tractor and a llama, and ducks on a pond and a cow. And I think they were just about out of them, so I've only got one of them. There's the fabrics in it. All right, there's that. Oh, and I got some of this heating bond for you guys that might want to do some applique. I got some of that. Oh, drop it. And then these little shopping bags. These little shopping bags were just too cute, so I had to get a few of them. Oh, I know. And they make cute little gift bags. Just gifts. And what else did I get? I still got a little bit more in here. I'm tickled. This is a cleaning cloth in lens cleaner. And this one has the Quilter's Blessing. This one, yeah, that's Quilter's Blessing. Let's see. I think I got... This one has a different one on it. But it's lens cleaner in the cloth. And it has to do with quilting. The theme is quilting on them. I got several of those. See if I can find a different one. This one says Sisterhood of Quilters. This one is just like that one. It's a little different. Anyway, those are cute, aren't they? What else? And I've never bought these, but I did this time. And it's 10-inch squares of whites. Have you seen some of those patterns where you sandwich the two pieces together and sew them and cut them, and then you've ended up with your squares you need for your blocks? So anyway, there's 2 of them, and it's Kona cotton. Let's see what that feels like. Last time I used Kona, well, I won't say it. I'm trying to get that plastic bag open so I can feel of it for you. Well, it's not, it doesn't feel like Moda, but it doesn't feel too bad. But you know what? You know what? I'm selling this best press, so if you starched it, you'd be in good shape, and you could use them. You could use it even better. That's my tip. And I'm selling these for $7 each. That's not bad. And they smell good. It's a subtle scent. It says with a touch of lavender. That's the scent on them. I've got a couple of them back and behind that t-shirt that says hen party. So there's that. And what else? Just a couple of more little charm packs. And move that. I've only got 2 of these because I told you guys I'm behind the game. And this is a Riley Blake. And it's Wild Rose. And it's got horses and cowboy boots and horseshoes. Some of it's kind of bandana looking. Horses behind the fence. I'll hold it up there and show you what they look like. Can you see those? Let me hold it still just for a little bit. See the cowboy boots and the horses? Have we got some horse fans out there? Need to make a horse quilt? They might be just a little on the girly side or the feminine side. But they're cute. 2 of them put together would make a pretty cute little quilt. Don't you think? I do. And only one of those. Let me show you the back of this one. Happiness is homemade. Farm Sweet Farm. And there's baby chicks and pigs. Let me hold it up there so you can see what's in it. And that's my box opening for today. Y'all let me know if you need a t-shirt or if you need something that I unboxed or if you need something on the shelves. What's back here? Well, I got my whites up there, my backgrounds, and some yellows and some blues. Those up there is $8 a yard for those up there. These others are $10 a yard. What else? Oh, got my mama's pin cushions. This is a pretty lavender, dark lavender color. It's not looking the same in my video there as it does in my hand, but it's a pretty color. And there's some other colors. And my wind spinner. I'll show you that. I took that sublimation printer and printed that out and put it on both sides. And then it was flat when I started it, and then I had to take my hand and bend it out. I think I may make another one with the hummingbirds and then some with the cardinals, like I told y'all earlier today in another video. That was my first one. I'm not perfect at any of this stuff. But it's pretty. It's pretty. Alrighty. Let me hear from you if you need something. There's some other stuff here, and I'm not going to just show everything. Not going to show everything this time. But I will, again, maybe someday. Y'all have a great rest of the day. I'll see you later. Maybe at a hen party later. Bye now.